Hello. So this was my festival meal of the day. Today's specialty for Baisakhi I have made is the dal makhani or kali dal rajma, made by most of us Punjabis for this particular day. And I have made a different kind of vegetable called methi paneer vegetable. And to go with this, instead of roti or the typical white rice or a bhakri, I have made a traditional nachni rice, which is very fibrous, nutritious, absolutely brown in color, very close to nature. And this meal, ideally if prepared in a traditional way with the original recipes, with the ghee and butter, would actually spike up your insulin levels. But this food that I've made today is with zero oil. Yes guys, no oil at all in this food, but yet it is so delicious and scrumptious that you can eat so well and relish it. The replacements that I've used for oil are the nuts and seeds and our very own desi desiccated coconut, which actually enhances the food value and the taste. The food is wholesome, it's nutritious, it's nutritional dense, and it is beautifully enhancing your body with this kind of food, and this will not spike your insulin at all. You can of course go for your traditional bhakris like jawar, bajra or nachni ka bhakri also, or a typical apna gehu ka roti also. But I wanted to do it differently. Plus, there's no stopping here. I have also made this homemade firni. Yes, we Punjabis make firni or kheer during our festival times, but it's only with dairy, sugar, high on sugar, yes, and ghee, and the white rice. I have used all these replacements like nachni instead of the white rice. I have used instead of milk, the dairy milk, I have used coconut milk here, and instead of sugar I have used coconut sugar here, again very fibrous in nature, and loaded it with nuts and seeds. Absolutely put my kesar in it to give the color, beautiful color. And the best part I have flavored is mango. Yes, the seasonal mango. It's so tasty and so beautiful. So I blended the mangoes inside my firni. So it's actually a mango firni made with nachni rice. And of course the toppings are the beautiful mangoes here. Absolutely young. Amazing to taste. Refrigerated in the fridge. So it's acting as a bigger resistant starch, which is also a fat burning meal. So compared to a traditional firni, this is so awesome. This is so good for your body that you can just go on eating this. I'm not saying you eat a huge bowl of say half liter or 1 liter, but at least this will actually so amazing for your taste buds also and for your body. Do try out the recipe and find out the difference for yourself what I'm talking about. Yes, but I have also made the traditional halwa, the shira, made by us Punjabis during the festival today. Yes, this is not plant-based, it is loaded with ghee and sugar. There are some few things that you need to make traditionally also for other people who are not on plant-based diets. So this is an option made also. Again, a beautiful thing, but I would rather prefer having my firni compared to my shira, which also I like. But because I'm on a plant-based nutrition, I will definitely go for something like this, which is going to help me in the long run, help me lead a disease-free life. So do try out, like and subscribe to my channel, Ahar Shakti.